What's up, guys? It's Bartles back with another little cooking recipe, life hack with the rice cooker. We're about to make some Mexican rice. Stay tuned if you want to know how to make fire Mexican rice in a rice cooker. Let's go. All right, half decent back with another recipe, a little video. We got 3 tomatoes, a cup and a half of rice, the tomato bouillon cube, garlic clove, and half an onion. All right, we're gonna start by throwing that garlic clove in some oil along with our rice, which happens to be a cup and a half of long grain white, and we're gonna get that nice and sauteed, or I don't even know what this is called, but we're just gonna make sure it gets nice and crispy. We want that rice to get a nice little brown coloring to it, golden brown, so it doesn't stick together. Mexican rice is not supposed to be sticky. So yeah, and this is the only part that you really have to stand by the rice. After this, you're just gonna let it sit, but we just wanna keep moving it around in that oil. Still not done yet. We want it to be golden brown. I'm gonna pull that garlic clove out. Do not throw it away because we're throwing that in the sauce, which is, you know, gonna help that flavor out a lot. Garlic makes it pop. All right, so we're almost there, and we keep moving it around. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how hot your flame is. And yes, look at the color when I'm throwing it in that rice cooker. It's pretty golden brown. Yep, it will not stick together. This is what you're looking for. And I'm throwing in for the sauce, one of those tomato bouillon cubes, 3 tomatoes, 1 garlic clove, the one that was sauteed in there, and half an onion, and 1 cup of water. And this came out perfect for my rice cooker for the amount of liquid you needed in there. I think I saved a little bit in there, but it was pretty much the exact amount for a cup and a half. And look at that. Oh, you know it's gonna pop when it starts sizzling like that. Throw that tomato in there. I guess you could mix it around a little, but when I do it in the pan, I don't. So it still came out fire though, I promise. There's just a lot of tomato at the top. And it was super easy. It took about 20 minutes and you can't beat that. Look at that rice. Yep, that's how I did it. And afterwards, this was my meal after I did the taste test. I hope you enjoyed, guys. So I just finished making my Mexican rice in a slow cooker. At first I was a little worried that it wouldn't come out pretty good, but I tried a little bit right now. I'm happy. I'm about to do a taste test in front of the camera. Ooh, it's still hot, but it's fire. You might want to mix around a little tomato that got stuck at the top. It's not as wide as a regular pan would be when you're cooking it. But if you're feeling lazy, you don't want to sit in front of that, checking it on it nonstop, it came out perfect. Yeah, I definitely recommend you try this out. It makes it super easy. I didn't even have to worry about this rice. This tastes more than half decent, I promise.